Hey guys, and welcome back to CageLand. So today I'm going to show you how I do my at-home spa facial. I absolutely love pampering myself, and when I can, I take advantage of the time. As moms, I just want to remind you that sometimes we have to take time to take care of ourselves. I know we do so much for everyone else, and sometimes we just need to take a step back and take care of ourselves, because if we don't, we're no good for anyone else. To get started on our facial, I'm going to just set the mood and give my bathroom like a spa feel. I'm going to light a candle, put on some relaxing music, and also turn on a water feature that makes you feel like you're at a spa. So to get that spa smell, I'm going to use some eucalyptus oil in the sink that I'm going to be over. That steam and that heat will really make the bathroom really smell like a real spa. So to get started with my facial, I'm going to start off by exfoliating my face and get all of the dirt and makeup and stuff that was left on my face the night before off. And then I'm going to go in with a gentle cleanser just to kind of foam up and remove any dirt that's left over. My grandmother always taught me and told me to never pull down on the skin. So if you are doing your facial, never pull down on your skin, honey. We don't want our cheeks to start drooping. So lift that sucker up. So now I'm going to use an old makeup brush that I had laying around just to apply my face mask. And once I get the mask on, I'm going to go and lay down, relax, take some time to just relax like I'm at a real spa. About 15 minutes for it to really dry. I'm gonna go in and with a really hot towel and just let that hot towel sit on my face. This is so relaxing. I love this moment in my spa treatment to just relax and remove that mask off of my face. Another exfoliator that really helps to clear acne on your skin. I will list all of these products down in the description bar below. After I finish that, I'm going to go in with my gold face mask. I absolutely love a gold face mask. Once I get the gold face mask, I am going to go lay down again for about 15 minutes. You guys can see I'm really taking advantage of my mommy time right now. And then once that has already dried and it's hard, the most satisfying thing is to take it off. This is my favorite part of the whole facial, is to remove my face mask. Now I'm going to go in with the serum. I haven't always used serum, but the older I get, the more I realize I really have to have a serum now. So then I am going to moisturize my skin. That is my very last step. Alright guys, and that is it. My spa at home facial is complete. I feel so good about my skin now that it's so clean, and I've just had a moment to just relax. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure you give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.